Hello students, this is class 7th mathematics number 2C, addition of rational numbers. So first, adding of rational numbers when the denominators are equal. So the first step is to keep the denominator same and add the numerators. And if required, you have to express the rational number obtained in its lowest term. So let's take first example 4 by 5 15 plus 8 by 15. So keeping the denominator same, we will add the numerators. So it is 12 by 15 and this 12 by 15 we can convert into lowest term. When we will divide it by 3, we will get 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So answer is 4 upon 5. Next, it is minus 4 by 15 plus 8 by 15. So again we will add the numerator keeping the denominator same, minus plus, it would be minus. So 8 minus 4 is 4 by 15. It is already in lowest term. Minus 4 by 15 plus 8 upon minus 15. So here children, first what we have to do, we have to convert this rational number into its standard form. So standard form, I have already told you the definition that we have the denominator should be positive and it should be in the lowest term. So when we convert it into standard form, it will become minus 8 upon 15. So when we will add the numerator, it is minus 4 minus 8. It will become minus 12 upon 15. And when we divide it by 3, we will get minus 4 upon 3. So this is how you have to solve the rational numbers. You have to add the rational numbers when the denominators are equal. Next, so let's see when the denominators are unequal, what we are supposed to do. So here, let's take an example, minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Denominators are equal. We will first find the LCM of 3 and 4. It is 12. So LCM of the denominators, that is 12. Now we will express the given rational numbers where the denominators will equal to 12. So first minus 2 by 3. So what should we multiply? 4. So it is your minus 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4 plus 3 into 3 upon 4 into 3 to get the denominator 12. So it is minus 8 upon 12 plus 9 by 12. So minus plus minus. So 9 minus 8 is 1 and this is 12. 1 upon 12. Next question you see, it is minus 3 by 9 plus 7 upon minus 10. Minus 7 by 10. Minus 7 by 10 you have to, we will get this after converting 7 upon minus 10 in standard form. So now LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10. Then we will make the denominators equal to 10, that is multiplying by 2. So minus 3 into 2 upon 5 into 2 plus minus 7 upon 10. 10 what we needed as 10 as denominator, so there will be no change. You can multiply by 1 if you want, otherwise no need. This is minus 6. This will become minus 6 upon 10 plus minus 7 upon 10. So mine denominators are now equal. We will add the numerators. So minus 6 plus minus 7. So it is minus 13 upon 10. Again this is in the lowest term. No need to further convert it into. You can write this in terms of mixed numeral if you want. Next question. Minus 4 upon 9 plus 7 upon minus 12 plus 7 upon 18. So again this number you see we have to convert into standard form, which will become minus 7 upon 12. Now we will take LCM of 9, 12 and 18, which you will get as 36. So if you want to take the LCM, you can apply the common factorization method, common division method, and you can find the LCM by LCM over here in your rough work. So you will get the LCM as 36. So now we will make the denominators equal to 36. So here in the first rational number we will multiply by 4 both numerator and denominator, and next we will multiply by 3 and next multiply by 2. So here we will get minus 16 upon 36 plus minus 21 upon 36 plus 14 upon 36. Taking numerator as common, we will add the numerators minus 16 plus minus 21 plus 14. So this is minus minus plus with the negative sign, you will get 37 plus 14 upon 36. So after subtracting this, you will get minus 23 upon 36. So you see minus plus minus, and here the greater number is having the negative sign, so that is why negative minus has come. Minus 23 by 36. Next question. Next is minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 plus 2. So here there is nothing over here as denominator, so we will write 1. So this is minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 plus 2 upon 1. Now we will take the LCM of 3, 2 and 1, which is equal to 6. And we will make the denominators equal to 6. So it is minus 4 by 6, this is 15 by 6 and this is 12 by 6. Now taking the denominator same, keeping the denominator same, we will add the numerators. We will get 23 upon 6, which is equal to 3 whole 5 by 6. Next, we will discuss about subtraction of rational numbers. Same as we have done in case of addition, we will do the subtraction also. Here 3 is there, only 3, minus 3 minus 4 by 7. So children, minus 3 means minus 3 upon 1 minus 4 upon 7. So 7 is your LCM over here. LCM is equal to 7. So here denominator will multiply by numerator and denominator we will multiply by 7. We will get minus 21 by 7 minus 4 upon 7. So after subtracting minus 21 minus 4, we will get minus 25. Minus minus plus, and the sign will be negative upon 7. So again this is in lowest term. Next type of question, it is given in your book. Subtract minus 3 by 10 from 1 by 5. From. So here 1 by 5 should be. So this will become 1 by 5 minus of minus 3 by 10. See this carefully. 1 by 5 will come first, then minus of minus 3 by 10. Then this minus minus will become plus. So 1 by 5 plus 3 upon 10. Now when you take LCM of 5 and 10, you will get 10. Now we have to make this equal, denominators equal. So we will multiply this by 2. 1 into 2, 2, 5 2s are 10. And this is already 10, so we are not supposed to multiply anything. The LCM, keeping the denominator same, we will add the numerators, that is 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 is not in the lowest term. We will divide by 5, we will get half as your answer. Next, 12 by 25 minus 8 by 25. This is an example of same denominator. It is 12 minus 8 upon 25, that is 4 by 25. This is again in the lowest term. You can try these questions given in your exercise also. And next is your word problems, which is given in your exercise. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 4. So if one of them is minus 13 by 25, find the other. So whatever is given in your question, first you have to write, that is the sum of two numbers is minus 4 and one of the number is minus 13 by 25. So what will be the other number? Other number will be equal to sum minus one of the number given to you. So minus 4 minus of minus 13 by 25. Remember, we have to subtract this sum and the other number. Don't get confused कि already minus is given, we are not supposed to put any minus sign. Then the answer you will get is wrong. So it is minus 4 minus of minus 13 by 25. So this minus minus will come plus. LCM will be 25 and this will be minus 4 multiplied by 25 plus 13. Means you have to make this is minus 4 upon 1. So you have to make the denominators equal, you have to multiply by 25. So that this step is been directly written over here. Minus 4 by 25 plus 13 upon 25, which you will get minus 100 plus 13 upon 25, which is equal to minus 85 by 25. Next question. What should be added to minus 5 by 9 to get minus 5 by 6? So let the required number be x. According to the question, what should be added to this? Minus 5 by 9 plus x. The number to be added is equal to, what is your answer? Minus 5 by 6. So if in class 6 you have also learned about the linear equation. So we will transpose this term over here. So this is your operation is plus. This side when it is shifted it will become minus. So it is minus 5 by 6 minus of minus 5 by 9. This minus minus will become plus. So minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 9. Again LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. We will make the denominators equal to 18. So here we will multiply by 3. Here we will multiply by 2. We will get minus 15 upon 18 and this is plus 10 upon 18. Now keeping the denominators same, we will add the numerators. We will get minus 5 upon 18. So this is your required answer. Next question. What should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6 to get 1? So let x be subtracted. So minus 5 by 6 minus x is equal to 1. Again linear equation transposing. So this is operation is minus. We will shift this x to this side and this 1 to this side. Or if you want you can also do it like this, minus 5 by 6 minus x is equal to 1. This minus x over here, 1 minus of minus 5 by 6. So this is minus x is equal to minus plus 1 by 6. And then after solving this will be minus x is equal to 11 upon 6 and this is x is equal to minus 11 upon 6. You can do like this also, or you can do like this. You can shift x to this side which will become plus x and 1 to this side which will become minus 1. So after solving this you will be getting minus 11 by 6. Same answer. So or you can also do it like this without doing any linear transposition. Required rational number is minus 5 by 6 minus 1. You will solve it, you will get the same answer. Next question. Next exercise we will start multiplication of rational numbers. That is your exercise 2D. So question number 1, 2 and 3 of your book are almost similar. So what you have to do, you have to find the product of the rational numbers. So basically for finding the product of rational numbers, product of numerators upon product of their denominators. So here first example, 5 by 6 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. So it will be product of numerator 5 into minus 3 upon 6 into 4. So you will get minus 5 upon 24. And after cutting this with 3, table of 3, you will get minus 5 by 8. Remember to convert it into the lowest term. Here minus 36 upon 7 multiplied by 28 upon minus 9. So you can see you can cut these minus minus, then 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So in the numerator you can see you are left with 4 into 4. which is equal to 16. Next, 4 by 9 multiplied by minus 3. So numerator product upon denominator. So 3 ones are 3 and this is 3 threes are 9. So you can see this is 4 into minus 1. You can't escape out this minus over here. Remember to write it. Often children do mistake. They ignore this minus 1 over here. But you are not supposed to ignore it over here. 4 into minus 1 upon 3, which is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Next question. Minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5 multiplied by minus 10 upon 3 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So first you have to solve all these bracketed terms, then you have to do the operations. So what we will be getting, this is you can do directly cutting also over here. 2 ones are 2 and this is 2 twos are 4. You can get 6 upon 5, or either by multiplying then doing the cuttings also you can do. So it is by multiplying 3 into 4 12 and 2 5s are 10. So by cutting it with the table of 2 you will be getting minus 6 upon 5. And here it is minus 90 upon 15. So 15 ones are 15 and 15 6 is 19. You will be getting minus 6. And this is 3 ones are 3, 2 fours are 8. So 3 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. So this is minus 6 by 5 and this is 6. Denominator is nothing means 1 and this is 3 by 8. So we will take the LCM of 5, 1, 8. So which is equal to 40. So we will make the denominators equal to 40. So here we will multiply by 8. Here we will multiply by 40 since there is 1. So we will multiply by 40. And here we will multiply by 5. We will be getting minus 48 by 40 minus 240 by 40 and this is minus 15 by 40. So denominators we have taken kept as same and we have add the numerators. Minus 48 minus 240 minus 15. So minus minus plus, again whatever answer you will be getting, minus minus plus. The sign will be minus only. So you will be getting 303 upon 40. Next, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is basically reciprocal, you can say, or you can say any number which gives you the product as 1. So for example, 3 by 4. The multiplicative inverse is 4 by 3. So if you multiply 3 by 4 with 4 by 3, your result will be equal to 1. So basically definition of multiplicative inverse is that a number which is the reciprocal of the given number and their product is equal to 1. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3, and again multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 3 upon minus 8 is minus 8 upon 3. Next question you will see division of rational numbers, which is the question number 6 of your exercise 2D. 4 by 25 divided by 3 by 5. So here what we have to do, we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5. So multiplication upon that 5 by 3. Multiplicative inverse is 5 by 3, which is equal to 5 5 5 are 25 and this 4 and 3 is left. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 5 3s are 15. This is your answer. And then next this one, let's see, minus 3 by 10 multiplied by 25 by minus 9. So we'll cancel these minus minus negative signs. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. And this is from the table of 5, let's cut it down. This is 2 and this is 5 5s are 25. So 5 1 into 5 5 upon 2 into 3 6. This is your answer. Next, evaluate. This is your question number, this is based on your question number 7 of your exercise. So this is 3 whole 2 by 5 plus 2 whole 1 by 10 within brackets divided by 4 whole 3 by 5 minus 3 whole 3 by 10 within brackets. So when we solve this mixed numeral into the fraction form, we will be getting 17 upon 5. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17 upon 5. So this is 21 upon 10 and this is 20 plus 3 23 upon 5 and this is 33 on 10. We will solve these bracketed term first, then we will do the division. So this LCM is 10. So this will be divided multiplied by 2 plus 21 upon 10. This you can also understand like this, 5 into 2 into 2. So we have directly written it over here. 17 2s are 34 plus 21 upon 10. And this is also LCM is 10. So this is 23 into 2 minus 33 upon 10. This is 34 plus 21 is 55 upon 10 divided by 13 upon 10. So 55 by 10, multiplicative inverse of 13 by 10, that is 10 by 13. So when you cancel it, 10 10 got cancelled, you will left with 55 upon 13. So when you convert this fraction into mixed numeral, you will be getting 4 whole 3 by 13. So this is how we are going to do it. Now we will do some word problems related to exercise 2D and 2E. 2E is basically given in your book is exactly same as the following exercise what you have done in 2A, B, C and D. So word problem is related to both the sections. You can see over here sum of 2. Now what is the other? What should be added to this to get 11 upon 24? What should be subtracted from this to get 5 24? The questions are almost similar over here with relation to the exercise 2D. So let's discuss some word problems which are given in both the exercises. Okay. A cyclist moves with a speed of 7 whole 2 by 5 km per hour. How much distance will he cover in 2 1 by 3 hours? So speed is given 7 2 by 5 which is equal to 37 by 5 km per hour. And time taken is given to you, that is 2 1 by 3 which you will be getting 7 by 3 hours. 7 upon 3 hours. Distance is equal to speed into time, which is 37 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 3. Cutting is not been done over here because they are all lowest terms. So this is 259 by 15. So after dividing this, you will be getting 17 whole 4 by 15 kilometer. Next question. Cost of 11 pens is rupees 24 whole 3 by 4. Find the cost of each pen. Each pen means 1 pen or 1 unit. They can give you anything in exam. So cost of 11 pens is 24 whole 3 by 4 rupees, which is equal to 99 by 4 rupees. For finding cost of 1 pen, what you have to do? You have to divide it by 11. So dividing by 11, divide will become multiply, and this 11 by 1 multiplicative inverse will become 1 upon 11. So when you cut down from the table of 11, you will be getting 11 ones 11, 11 nines are 99. So here 9 into 1 is 9 and 4 into 1 is 4. Rupees 9 by 4, which is equal to rupees 2 whole 1 by 4. Next question. Product of two numbers is 12 by 15. One of the number is minus 6 by 7. You have to find the other number. Same as given in question, suppose ki if product of two numbers is 12, one of the number is 6, what will be the other number? So you have to divide that product from the given number. What you generally do. So same here, what we will do over here. 12 by 15 divided by minus 6 upon 7. 12 by 15, this multiplicative inverse will become minus 7 by 6. So keeping the minus sign out, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now we are left with 2 into 7, that is 14, and this is 15 into 1, that that is 15, and this sign is minus sign will be remaining over there. Next, what number should be multiplied by minus 3 by 8 so that the product is this much? So this is a number, we should be multiplying something to this number to get the product minus 9 upon 16. So product divided by the given number. So minus of 9 by 16 divided by minus 3 by 8. Again multiplicative inverse, we will reciprocal this number, we will be getting minus 8 upon 3. So here it will become minus 9 upon 16 multiplied by minus 8 upon 3. This minus got cancelled. Then this 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Your answer will be 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. Wherever possible, you have to convert the improper fraction into mixed numeral. What number should minus 5 by 9 be divided so that the result is minus 15 by 18? So this will be like this. Minus 5 by 9 divided by 8. What number should be divided? Listen, read the question carefully. Should be divided. So minus 5 by 7 divided by x is equal to this minus 15 by 28. So the number given to you divided by minus 15 by 8. Here it is not given what number to be divided. Here it is number what to be divided from this number to get the result. So read the question very carefully. This is important. So here what we will be getting? Minus 5 by 7 divided by minus 15 by 28. So again multiplicative inverse, it will give 28 by 15. We'll cancel the negative ones. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. You will be getting 4 upon 3, that is 1 whole 1 by 3. So this is one of the important question. Read it carefully before doing this. Let's move on to the next. So exercise 2E, we have discussed exercise 2D now. All the questions, multiplication, division, word problems I have discussed over here. So try to solve all these questions in your notebook. And let's move on to 2E. This is addition. We have already discussed. This 2E is based on the exercises what we have done in the previous exercises. This also word problem I have discussed in the addition word problems, and this one also, and these two right now we have discussed in the division chapter. Now let's take up this evaluate. This is 7 by 28 multiplied by 24 by 21 plus minus 5 by 9 multiplied by 6 upon minus 25. So in this type of question, what we have to do, evaluate we have done over here also, but here they have given only division in terms of division only. So let's take up what they have done over here. What you have supposed to do, first you have to solve this bracket terms, then this bracket terms, and whatever answer you were getting you have to add them. So this is, you can see 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, and your 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 21, and you are left with 3 ones are 3, 1. You are left with 1 over here. And here plus, how much you will be getting? Minus got cancelled. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So you will be getting 1 plus, and this will be 1 into 2, 2, and this is 3 into 5, 15. So you can directly write answer as 1 whole 2 by 15, or you can also take up LCM as 15, then 15 plus 12, it is 17 by 15. You will be again getting the same answer, 1 whole 2 by 15.